Hello, it's Danny here. This is Saturday, May 30th, 2026. It's about 10 minutes after 11 this morning here in Eastern Time here in Lake Placid, Florida, here in Highlands County. This is the Carolina scaly stem. It's native here to Florida, all the way up to South Carolina. It is Elytraria caroliniensis. It's in the Acanthaceae family, which is in the Lomialis order. But this is how big the flowers are. But they are found in bottomlanders, the plants themselves. Growing here with the Stenandrium Dulce, variety Dulce here. Mixed in is the Stenandrium Dulce. Let's see the leaves there and there. Yeah, there's a lot of the Carolina, there's the Stenandrium Dulce right there. That's the plant. And that's the Carolina scaly stem right next to it. This here is the grassy weed I'm going to get out. Ignore that. But this is what it looks like. Here's a box here full of Stenandrium Dulce here, the pinklets. There's one lone scaly stem, Carolina scaly stem right there growing amongst them. That's what the plant looks like. That's how big they are. But the width of the leaves do vary from very wide, somewhat pretty wide there, to somewhat narrow. Down in South Florida is Gustifolia, which is very, very, very narrow. But yeah, this is really loaded with the white flowers here in this box. But if you want to know what Carolina scaly stem looks like, Elytraria caroliniensis. I never seen anything on. There's a fly on there. So he's just on there for curiosity. I don't think he's there foraging for nectar. Nah. I never see butterflies on here. Except one time I thought what looked like a skipper, but it flew off before I had a chance to see it. So I believe this is butterfly pollinated. My guess is probably pollinated by some kind of skipper. I know it's butterfly pollinated. I know the Stenandrium Dulce, which is also in the Acanthaceae family, that's pollinated by the mallow scrub hair streak butterfly, and I've seen Gulf fritillaries on them as well. But as far as these white guys here, I believe skippers are the culprit or the suspect pollinators. But man, they sure loaded. So it's called scaly stem because these right here are scaly, and up here, but yeah, that's why it's called scaly stem. Now the inflorescence. But yep, that's what the Carolina scaly stem looks like. It's growing in the. By the way, these are picker boxes, the city pickers. You buy these at Home Depot. It's growing in the Miracle Grow moisture control potting mix. The soil comes in blue bags. It seems like plants do better with this. These need to be repotted. These have been in there for a long time. The soil become rancid. The potting mix become rancid. But the scaly stems seem to really like it. Yeah, likes to be constantly moist. So it does very well in full sun. All right, I believe that is it. Until next time.